Here we go for a quick unboxing. Really quick one. Just arrived, been waiting all day for this. Unbox a galaxy of epic possibilities. I've just gone for a Galaxy Ultra S23. Right, got that wrong. A Galaxy S23 Ultra, okay, with 1 TB internal memory. Haven't had a new phone for 3 years, so I had the S20. So this is quite an upgrade. Epic nights are here. Get ready to bring the night to life with your new Galaxy S23. I've gone for a bit of an unusual colour. Oh, this got packaging for returning either this, I don't know, or my other phone which I've done as an exchange. Alright, there's a pull thing. Here we go. So I'm not really showing you. Got a little line there. That's the pen. That's the colour I've gone for there. Right, let's quick. Use this chili covered, unless there's, do not accept, you have to, a chili covered. Oh, hang on, there's a pulley thing there. Oh, which doesn't work. There we are. Okay. Oh. Right, here we go. Pop that open, and there it is, nice black background. It's not really, that is the colour of my old van. This is the colour of Boris the Bonquette, my old VW transporter called Boris long before the Prime Minister. I love it, I love the colour. It's quite big, it's certainly heavier than my S20, S20 Plus. Oh, lovely. And it hasn't got ridiculously beveled. I don't like the beveled screen. So very pleased. Ka-ching!